How to use Google Maps while driving. Using Google Maps is one of the most common and effective ways to navigate. So here's a step-by-step guide for that, which include the tips and features to enhance your navigation experience. First of all, you have to set up your Google Map. Ensure you have the Google Map app on your device, which is available for both Android and iOS device. Also, make sure you have a stable internet connection connected to your mobile data or Wi-Fi at that location services. And after that, you have to prepare ring for navigation. You have to connect your Bluetooth to your car. You can connect your phone to your car Bluetooth system to hear the tone by tone direction. And after that, here you have to just open up your Google Map. Once you have opened up your Google Map, here you have to just go for the search here option, and here you have to just go for this, and you have to just go for the direction option, and you have to choose to start a location here, and just go for that and go for the preview option, and you can find your location here. After that, you have to just go for the preview option, and you have to follow the location like this. So this way you can have your location while driving. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.